Good morning, it is Erica. Welcome back to my channel. It is my birthday week and we have a lot to do. So first things first, I'm getting my car worked on tomorrow. So I'm here at the car wash so they can at least see the damage because the car is so dirty there's no way to see the damage. So let's go to the car wash and then we're gonna get some food and go ahead and head to work.
I'm kinda new with apologies. Holding back, I got history. Yeah, yeah. But the way you've been crossing the line, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it by.
Good morning, guys. So it is the next day. I went to work last night, got off around 10, went straight to bed because I had to get up at 5:45 this morning so I can make it here by 8 to get my car worked on. So it's 7:53. I got my Dunkin', I got cake batter, frozen coffee, hash browns, and a sweet black pepper bacon croissant. So I'm gonna eat that and then I am going to go inside because my appointment's at 8. See how long they're gonna keep my car. Then I need to go pick up my rental car and I have to do a few more errands. So let's get started.
You just want to make sure you get whatever you need out of your vehicle. Parking passes, garage openers, cell phone chargers, car seats, that's what people tend to forget about. But we'll start based on the insurance estimate. Anything additional we'll add to it.
Okay.
But yeah, like you said, the sensors and all that, if they're, we'll order the parts based on the video.
Okay, sounds good. Okay, so I took care of the car situation, put my car in the shop, went to Enterprise, got my rental. I'm here in my little Kia SUV with the CarPlay and all the fun stuff. So then I had my doctor's appointment. I took care of that. Now I'm headed to Caden's doctor's appointment so I can give them permission for my mom to take him. So he wasn't feeling that good yesterday, and then I was at my appointment, so she tried to take him to his appointment, and then they said that I filled out new paperwork and I forgot to put them on the list as someone who can take him. So I gotta go put my parents back on the list for people who could take him to the doctor, and then I have to get on the highway and go to work. So as you can see, it's a lot going back and forth and doing different things. So I'm definitely gonna be really happy when all of this is over and I'm able to have a job where I'm able to be a little bit more free, like I've been saying, so that I can take him to his doctor's appointment. Of course, my parents might have to take him sometimes, but I want to take him there, and I want to take him to field day at school and all different types of stuff that I can't do while I'm working. So yeah, let's head to his appointment so he can get taken care of, and then we can hop on the highway and go to work.
But somehow you make me change. Like
okay, so I handled everything with Caden and now I'm at work in the parking garage. I went to McDonald's, got a frappe, and I got a chicken sandwich and fries. I'm hoping this will help me stay awake because literally I was getting really tired on the highway. So I'm gonna be here until at least 10, so I really need to stay awake. So hopefully eating this and drinking this will keep me up, and I will probably see you guys when I get off or early in the morning when I'm headed back for my other appointment. Good morning, guys. So it is 8:38 in the morning, meaning I got up at 6, got on the highway, came to my doctor's appointment. I finished that. What happened to me was, you guys know that I had a car accident like in 2019. I got in another car accident recently, so I needed to get checked out again, and now I'm gonna have to do physical therapy and stuff like that. So I had to do x-rays yesterday, had my appointment today, and I have some other stuff that I have to do. So finished with that, and now I'm gonna get some breakfast and then head to the house for a little bit and then head to work. Hey. What you doing? That's my Caden. Do my kisses. I miss you. Okay, so I'm off from work and it is almost 11 o'clock at night. I am ready for bed, ready for my birthday tomorrow. So I got this that I'm gonna try out tomorrow for the photo shoot. And then I got these really cute black heels that I'm gonna wear for the photo shoot. Got a lot of stuff. So I'm gonna kind of like pack what I'm gonna take with me to the photo shoot and then kind of just get ready for bed because I got to get up at 9, shower, hair, all that stuff, and then I have to be there by 11. And I really wanted to do a photo shoot with the balloons that say like your age. So I wanted like the 27, you know, so I can hold the balloons. So I don't think they have that, so I'm gonna have to go to like Party City in the morning and have them do that for me too. So I have quite a few errands that I want to do in the morning before the photo shoot. So let's do this stuff and then get ready for bed. So I think I'm going to show you guys a little montage of me getting everything and then end this vlog here so that I can have like a brand new birthday and Mother's Day vlog for you guys. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.